Welcome back to my channel. Struggling with hair loss? Your kitchen holds a powerful secret, onion juice. Used for centuries, it can help regrow hair naturally and quickly. Here's how. Benefits of onion juice. Why onion juice works so well for your hair. Rich in sulfur, which boosts collagen and keratin production. Improves blood circulation to hair roots. Fights fungus and bacteria that cause scalp infections. Helps reduce dandruff and itchiness. How to use onion juice for hair growth. How to apply onion juice for best results. Peel and blend 1 medium onion. Strain and collect the juice. Apply directly on the scalp using a cotton ball or spray bottle. Leave for 30 to 45 minutes, then wash with a mild shampoo. Use 2 to 3 times per week for visible results in 3 to 4 weeks. Pro tip. Add 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel or few drops of lavender oil to reduce the smell. Superfoods to support hair growth. For faster and thicker hair growth, include these in your diet. Pumpkin seeds, rich in zinc. Flax seeds, full of omega-3 fatty acids. Spinach, loaded with iron. Eggs, biotin and protein powerhouse. Sweet potatoes, natural source of beta-carotene. How to ferment onion juice for more power. Fermented onion juice is even more powerful. Here's how to make it. Place the fresh onion juice in a clean jar. Add 1 teaspoon of rice water or 1 crushed garlic clove, optional. Cover loosely and leave at room temperature for 1 to 2 days. Store in the fridge for up to 5 days. Benefits. More antioxidants. Gentler on sensitive scalps. Improves absorption into hair roots. Hair regrowth tips to maximize results. Boost your hair regrowth journey with these tips. Avoid using heat tools excessively. Do weekly hot oil massages, coconut oil plus castor oil. Get enough sleep and hydrate well. Take vitamin D3, B12, and iron supplements if deficient. Be consistent. Hair takes time to regrow, but results will come. No fancy products, no chemicals, just pure, natural results. Try onion juice, and let your hair speak for itself. Subscribe for more powerful natural remedies. Thank you for watching.